Hello, everyone. Common frequently asked question. What are the legal basis that requires owner of business establishment to provide wastewater treatment facilities in the Philippines? This is a frequently asked question, and let us answer these things. The legal basis requiring business establishments to provide wastewater treatment facilities in the Philippines primarily stems from Republic Act 9275 or the Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004 and its implementing rules and regulation, along with other related regulations. So we have RA 9275, DAO 2016-08, Republic Act 7160, and our international commitments, the Sustainable Development Goal number 6. In Section 2 of the Republic Act 9275 or the Clean Water Act, the Declaration of Policy mandates the state to ensure water quality protection through pollution prevention and control, including requiring industries to adopt environmentally sound practices. In Section 5 of the Republic Act 9275, talking about the water quality management, requires the DNR to classify water bodies and set effluent standards, compelling businesses to comply with discharge regulations. Now, in Section 19, can hold polluters accountable for damages, reinforcing the need for treatment facilities to avoid violation. And of course, as to the coverage of RA 9275 applies to all land-based sources of pollution. Example, industrial, commercial, agricultural, discharging into water bodies. So back to the question on the legal basis that requires owner of business establishment to provide wastewater treatment facilities. One is the RA 9275 and the selected sections under RA 9275. The Dow 2016-08 or the Water Quality Guidelines in General Effluent Standard can also our basis. In Dow 2016-08, set permissible pollutant level. For example, for biochemical oxygen demand or total suspended solid for different industries, requiring treatment facilities to meet these limits. In the previous issuance, like in Dow 35, series of 1990, establishment sector-specific effluent standards for industries like food processing, textile, and chemicals. Now, in Dow 2016-08, or the Water Quality and General Effluent Standard, businesses must secure um, result of laboratory analysis complying with the standard set by DNR. Discharge permit under RA 9275 and compliance to the effluent standard of our discharges per Dow 2016-08 are some of our legal basis for our business establishment to construct a wastewater treatment facility. Now, wastewater treatment facilities are very effective to comply with the standard set with the DNR. So we need to comply with all these requirements. If we need to ensure compliance, we can set up a wastewater treatment facility. In Republic Act 7160 or the local government codes and possible ordinances, especially RA 7160 local government code authorizes LGUs to enforce environmental regulations, including requiring businesses to install treatment facilities as part of business permit. Zoning and sanitation codes, local ordinances often stipulate wastewater management system for commercial establishments and penalties for non-complying with this requirement. Particularly RA 9275, violators face fines up to 200,000 per day for unlawful discharges and or imprisonment, emphasizing the legal obligation to treat wastewater. And finally, in our answer to this question, what are the legal basis that requires owner of a business establishment to provide wastewater treatment facilities? In our international commitment, the Philippines adheres to global agreements. Example, this Sustainable Development Goal number 6 on clean water, aligning national laws with the need for sustainable wastewater management. So, basically, businesses must provide wastewater treatment facilities due to RA 9275 Clean Water Act, the water quality guidelines and general effluent standard, and the compliance to the condition of discharge permit, local government requirements, and avoidance of penalties under environmental laws. So thank you very much, and I hope you have learned something about the legal basis that requires owner of business establishment to provide wastewater treatment facilities. And if you want to know more about environmental compliance, environmental requirements, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please like this video. Thank you very much for active listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, everyone, and God bless us all.